A 2017 study published in Proceedings of the Royal Society B discovered that wild dogs vote by sneezing. Once enough individuals sneeze past a threshold, the pack moves out. A flawless team strategy, but not without cost.